objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to write the numbers from 10 to 20, find the greater or the smaller number, identify ordinal numbers. Numbers from 10 to 20. Look at these colorful balls. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us add one more. We have 10 balls. 9 plus 1 is 10. Let us put these balls in a bucket. We now have a group of 10 balls. Take a new bucket. Drop a ball into it. We now have a group of 10 balls and 1 ball. Group of 10 plus 1 makes 11. Drop one more ball into the second bucket. We now have a group of 10 balls and 2 balls. Group of 10 plus 2 makes 12. Drop one more ball into the second bucket. Group of 10 plus 3 makes 13. Group of 10 plus 4 makes 14. Group of 10 plus 5 makes 15. Group of 10 plus 6 makes 16. Group of 10 plus 7 makes 17. Group of 10 plus 8 makes 18. Group of 10 plus 9 makes 19. Self-assessment. Hey kids, time to know what you have learned. Count the number of chocolates and click the correct answer. Well done! Count the number of balls and click the correct answer. Try again. Well done! Groups of 10s and 1s. Look at these ripe bananas. They look so delicious. Let us divide them into groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have counted one group of 10. 1, 2,